Next, you can see causes are common code of law and administrative unity. British rule indirectly created conditions for the growth of nationalism in India. So the British rule indirectly, they created a condition for the growth of the feeling of nationalism in India. Why? How? By ill treating the normal people, by educating them. And if the people are educated, they can understand what are the different evil, you can say, ideas of British rule, and their idea is to exploit the India. Prior to the establishment of British rule, India was divided into numerous states with different rulers and different administrative systems. So what did the British rule? They did that they divided India into different numerous states and with different rulers, and every state was run in a different administrative system. People were loyal to their respective rulers and region. They had little or nothing in common with the people from other region and lacked a national outlook and identity. So though the people in many part of our country, they were uneducated, so they were not able to understand what actually the British were trying to do. Their main agenda was to divide and rule the India into different provinces or different states, and due to which the common people, especially from the other region, they don't know what actually a national spirit is all about and what are their identity. The British transform a fragmented India into a united whole under their rule. So the British, what did the British did? They transferred a isolated India into a united under their rule. That means all people, they are living together, but there was a conflict between the two communities, that means Hindu and Muslims. So by taking the advantages of these conflict, they started the policy of divide and rule policy, and finally they started ruling India. They introduced a uniform and modern system of government throughout the British provinces. So what did they do? They introduced a uniform and a modern system of government through which throughout the different British provinces, so that every state or every provinces can be looked in equal way. Uniform laws were applied to all the British subjects. So the different types of laws were applied to all the British subjects. People from different provinces, that means state, and from different communities and caste now followed the same rule and regulation. So what did the British did? They make a different, or you can say make a same law for different provinces, and now all different different communities and castes, they are following the same laws and regulations which was made by the British rule. They gradually realized that they all belonged to the same country and shared a common national identity as Indians. So finally the people, they realized what the British were doing, and finally they realized that if we will come together, we can fight against our common enemy, that is British, and if we will come together, we can find our own common identity, that means as Indians. We all are Indians. We cannot, nobody can divide us among our religion, because India is a social diversity country, and this country, all religion are respected equally. So what did with the help of British, indirectly they started realizing their own national identity as Indians.